You know what, guys? I want to say something. Kasi ako dati, nung in love ako sa aking ex, ang kissing sense is a part of my, what do you call that? In Danish is, it's a part of curly hair. It's about love. Yes, in English. It's about how I feel in love to someone else. But this time, guys, when I was in Denmark, I discovered that, there's a lot of gold digger that they are kissing too much in front of my face. Yes. But you know what I discovered? It's easy to make fake, right? It's easy to show to everybody that they both in love. But honestly, it's a fake in love. It's a fake love. It's easy to do, honey, la 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 la, mwah, mwah. What? It's weird, Persons deeply in love. It's here, inside the heart, that even smile after kissing, it still remain to all people around you that, it's about love, sometimes you have a questions. Why there's two couples, it's not perfect. Sorry guys. Why it's not perfect? It because guys, like nanay said, or someone, old person said that God balanced the person. If the girl is perfect, the man is imperfect. Why? It's about love. Love that it's only two couples person can understand why they fall in love to each other. No one can explain that it's only two persons in love. You cannot involve yourself to discourage the persons or destroy their love story it because you're unhappy or unsuccess to have a perfect husband or have a perfect wife. It's not their fault if you didn't feel that they are in love. But I need to be toxic, guys, to those gold digger that they are forcing to sell. They are forcing themselves to show to the world that they are perfect to their partner. The sad is they give them chance or hope that to believe that they in love to their partner. The sad is they will broke their heart later. Why? Because they are honest to their partner. And you'll never be happy for that because of that. You need to build love. Because if the person is in love, even the smile together holding the hands, you can see to their face that they are happy couples together. And you cannot ruin their a relationship because you're toxic to their relationship. And it is, you cannot force to be in love to someone else that you're cheater. I'm the type of person, guys, be careful. I'm an ordinary vlogger only from Santa Cruz, Pandan Antique, but I'm the type of person that I'm very observed. I'm good to observe people. I know how to read your mind if you're cheater or not. I'm sorry. I discovered that there's a lot of gold digger that they need to show to the world that they are happy, but honestly, is that inside they are suffering to their relationship without happiness in life. That's the most enemies to yourself that, oh my God, it's not easy to force yourself to be in love or to be happy because of material things. Love is not about materials. It's not about money. It's not about wealth. It's about feelings. Feelings of two couples, why they are fighting together to stay together, not about money and wealth. But of course, in this world, if you in love, because they said that you cannot survive for love only without money. But the two couples, if they are in love, they will work hard, even that in the beginning, when they start a family, they don't have money enough for living. They work hard for that to achieve what they want to achieve in life. It's because they have a dreams to build a family. And hindi ka pwede, you don't allow yourself to involve in destroy to the person even that you didn't know what kind of love that they are built together. If they're strong, even that one of them is unperfect, it's because they in love. The guys is in love and the girls is in love too. And I don't want to be a toxic guys. Honestly, I'm not toxic to all Filipinas that they are happy couple marriage to foreigner all over the world. Some of that they have a partner in, they came from different countries. And they are happy couples. And I'm happy. Honestly guys, I'm happy to see you in YouTube that you make your own name that you're gonna be more popular because you know that both of you is happy couples. You doing that to not to be a popular only. You do that so people will know you being you. And I'm happy guys to see the couples happy. Yes, I'm very supportive. Because you know if you're in love, even that a simple things, you make yourself more happier, more than what other persons expected. It's only you can describe how in love you are because that's yourself. You know, they cannot express, they cannot explain why they are in love. It's a natural feelings of two couples that they in the beginning, they fall in love in 1 second. Do you remember that? Using your eyes, God make way to find your soulmate. And oh, hi babe. um, I hope to see you in Philippines. Like what I said, yes, I found the one. Yes, the one that I love. And guys, don't be toxic to the other couples. It's not their fault if you're unlucky in life about feelings, about the relationship. Maybe because you hurry up. You didn't ask help from God to give a sign before you accept the person. Ask God. God, please give me a sign if he is the one for me. And maybe later God will give you the right person. Yun lang guys. Bye. Thank you.